We're tracking some more breaking news coming in at this hour. It seems that another Congress leader has spoken against Rahul Gandhi. In the latest that we're tracking at this hour, Congress leader Rashid Alvi has said in High Court that not easy to meet Rahul Gandhi and that many people are resigning from the Congress. Remember that this is an important explosive statement coming in from the Congress leader. Now Rashid Alvi has further gone on to say that the Congress is ignoring Muslim leadership. Important information that we're tracking at this hour, as there seems to be a big political row. There are reports of infighting within the Congress. Remember that this comment follows after Shakeel Ahmed as well as Shashi Tharoor's comments about the Congress. There seems to be infighting within the party, with another leader speaking out against the top brass, which is Rahul Gandhi. Rashid Alvi has gone on to say that it is not easy to meet Rahul Gandhi and that there are several people who are resigning from the Congress. What's an important remark from Rashid Alvi that's come in is the fact that he said that Congress is ignoring Muslim leadership. In fact, let's also listen into the reactions coming in on this.
देखिए, राहुल गांधी से मिलना इतना आसान नहीं है, और जहाँ तक सवाल इस बात का है कि नसीमुद्दीन साहब ने इस्तीफ़ा दे दिया, ये चिंता की बात है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी कांग्रेस पे मुस्लिम अपीज़मेंट का इल्ज़ाम लगाती है और उसका ये नतीजा है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी मुस्लिम लीडरशिप को लगातार नज़रअंदाज करती है।
Today, Congress Party and Rahul Gandhi, they are the biggest dhokebaz. They want the Muslim vote, not the Muslim. And this I am not saying. I used to say it when I was in Congress. But today, Naseem Siddiqui leaving. Then we have seen Shakeel Ahmed leaving. We have seen Roshan Beg leaving. And now Rashid Alvi is saying that Congress is ill-treating Muslims, just using and throwing the Muslims away. They are not concerned with the development of Muslims. They are concerned with the vote of Muslims. So they will use all techniques to use the Muslim vote as a cannon fodder. They will incite them on UCC, WAC, CA. They will take the vote, but they don't want to improve the life of Muslims.
Well, on this, my colleague Tejashree joining us on the broadcast. Tejashree, trouble seems to be mounting from the Congress. We've seen several leaders speak out against the party top brass after elections, after election losses. Now also we're seeing leaders repeatedly talk about how Rahul Gandhi is, as per them, insecure and that the party is not democratic within its framework. You know, how exactly do you perceive this, given the fact that this is the main opposition party of the country?
Well, absolutely largest opposition party of the country, and Rahul Gandhi is the leader of opposition, and very own leaders have been saying that, you know, it is not very easy to meet Rahul Gandhi, and he is not the first leader, you know, who has been stating about not getting easy access to Rahul Gandhi. Earlier also there have been number of leaders who have been complained about, yes, it is difficult to reach out to Rahul Gandhi. If we remember that what Congress leader Digvijay Singh has stated, that, you know, the Congress party needs to learn the organizational discipline from the RSS. Not just that, but also, in fact, number of things were stated by Digvijay Singh as well as far as Rahul Gandhi is concerned, because he also stated that it is difficult to convince Rahul Gandhi. So in a way, in fact, he was also trying to say that, you know, the things of the leaders that they want to convey, they are not very much heard by their leader. And now, in fact, the Congress leader Rashid Alvi goes on to say that, their leader Rahul Gandhi, it is not easy to meet him, number one. And also, in fact, the Muslims are not happy, because we have been seeing the manner in which the politics is being played. Because now the appeasement politics is, BJP says that Congress party is playing just appeasement politics, nothing more than that. But the manner in which the Congress party is also trying to take a stand, a soft stand for Hindutva, for Hindu, that is why, in fact, the Congress leaders, the Muslim Congress leaders have now started feeling that the Muslims are now being ignored. Remember that this is not for the first time, you know, that the charge is on the Congress party for the appeasement. Remember the time when Rajiv Gandhi also, in fact, was talking about the same charge. We saw that how, in fact, this entire, controversy had erupted at point of time when the bills were introduced, the Muslim women bills were introduced, and then the locks of the Ram Mandir were opened. All these controversy has always come to light as far as Congress party is concerned, and the appeasement politics as well.